It's me, Jason, and didn't upload last night because I want to go see a movie. I saw Krampus. Good movie, actually. I was in my room playing. Yeah. If you guys don't know about the Seahawk game, my brothers are in that room. The Seahawk game, but Seahawk game hasn't started. So, look what we made to eat. Since there's 4 people, I get myself a slice. They get themselves a slice. And they're just chicken wings. So, I don't know. Just playing some Black Ops 2 player. I was playing with my brothers. Brooks. Let's go see what my mom's doing. Hi, Mom.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
You're in the video.
Me in the video?
Yeah.
What?
You're in the video. Estoy haciendo una video. What are you doing?
Yo estoy viendo una movie. Get out my
What movie are you watching?
60 seconds.
What's 60 seconds?
I don't know. I see the movie. Get out my room. Get out.
Let's see what's it about.
Get out. Get out. Close the door.
Okay. Alright guys, then. Also, I'm probably gonna be getting new games or something. Right here. Look at my rock collection. There's some weird rocks. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here, so see you guys later.